Hi, welcome to another edition of Shabbat Lounge, and I come before you today with just a quick question. And that question is this, let me set it up first. In the Ten Commandments, we see this command, do not have any engraven image. And basically it says, don't have anything that you find above or below or on the surface. Don't make an engraven image. And something I've wondered is, first off, I have to say this is a really hard thing for me to say because I love photography. I love to take a good picture. I've spent, since I was in high school, I've been looking for the perfect sunsets. I always have enjoyed taking photographs, and it's something that I feel like I have a good eye for and do a good job with. And I love to take pictures of my family and my children, and I've always enjoyed that. Well, sometimes I do wonder if that's, and also as a family, we love to put up photos that we've taken and decorate our house with them, and of course pictures of our children. Those go in the refrigerator and other places of importance. But just look at the rise of the selfie and how many people, I read something the other day that said the average child, like under 25, spends like an hour a week taking selfies. And I witnessed this summer at a concert. I was at a concert with my daughter, and there were some 7th, 8th grade children on a date, and I kid you not, they took at least 100 selfies. Basically, they all looked exactly the same to me watching them take these pictures, They'd just move over to the left a little bit or to the right. It's just selfie after selfie after selfie after selfie. I'm like, good grief. How many pictures do you need of yourself? Now, my wife and I like to say we invented selfies because back in 1993 on our honeymoon, we took a selfie on an Olympus handheld camera that took real film, and I have that. But I don't think that's the first recorded selfie, but I'd like to think it was. But anyway, I just think it's something to ponder, something to consider. Is our obsession with selfies, is our obsession with photography, is that like our Asherah pole or modern day equivalent of something like that, and we just don't understand that? I don't know. It's definitely worth examining and worth thinking about. I know it's like a very difficult thing to consider. Even raising the question seems pretty scandalous for most of us. But anyway, just something to consider, something to think about and pray about, research it, see what you think. I don't know where I'm at on the issue, but I definitely think about it from time to time. So I encourage you, as always, read your Bible.